Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a new product to try out that I've been sent. First thing I need to do though is wash this car. So it's pretty filthy, probably doesn't look so on camera, but always a good indication is the side skirts on this. And it's been a couple of weeks since it was washed, but I figured it's the perfect car to use for this product that I've been sent out, which I'll show you now. So what we have here is the box that came in from Lithium Car Care, or Lithium Auto Elixirs. So this is what we will be using today. So we have their Color Crush. So this is a 473ml or 16 ounces of BAM bottle with the spray trigger as well in there, obviously. So this one has been sent out to me by the guys at Lithium, and they wanted me to test this out. They're going to possibly send me a couple more products as well to try out, so pretty keen to see how this works. So this is an SiO2 quick detailer, so great for a topper for ceramic coatings, and I don't usually use them, as you guys may have heard me say. I usually like to let my ceramic coatings do the job, but since we just applied the Geon version onto my Evo 10, I thought it was only fair that my wife's Red Evo 10 gets the sort of similar treatment. So yeah, we're going to try this out. First we need to wash the car, but I will have a link to this in the description if you'd like to pick it up. I haven't used it yet, so we don't know how good it is, but I'm sure it will be great. It is $36 for this 473ml or 16 ounce bottle, and they are a USA based company, but now they are available in Australia as well. So yeah, I'll have the link for these guys in Australia, and massive thanks to them for sending me this bottle out to try. Pretty keen. Seen some really good stuff, reviews on their products previously. I haven't seen much on this one, so really keen to try it out. Okay, so we have got ourselves a clean car that is ready to have our Lithium Color Crush applied. So I just put the spray trigger on to the bottle, got myself out a fresh microfiber towel, and I was just looking at the little card or brochure that came with the product, and noticed that it also has a red Evo as the picture they've used to advertise. But an Evo 9, I believe that is, Evo 8, 9. So also red, so yeah, pretty fitting that that's the car that we're also going to be using, just for an Evo 10. So product is, going by the directions, pretty simple to use. We're just going to spray it on, just a sort of 3 square foot area. So I'll just do the whole bonnet generally. I know that's a bit bigger than that, but should be fine. So just a few sprays, less is more as always with these SiO2 detailers. And I'm just going for the one cloth because it does say spray it directly onto the panel, and if I get some streaking, which is usually likely with these type of products, I will get a second cloth. It's probably best that I just get a second cloth anyway, but yeah, I'm just going to see how it goes with the one. So yeah, let's go get into it. Grab our towel and come over to the car. So I'm just trying to basically beat the rain today. So we will just do half the bonnet to start, and then I'm going to get the GoPro, put it on my head, and do the rest of the car. Okay, so we'll flip that over. And yeah, it looks like it's quite easy to apply product. Seems to wipe straight off pretty easily. I could see it wiping in, and as soon as I'm wiping off, so up here, I'm not sure if you guys can see where it's applied, but yeah, wipes straight off. So yeah, there we go, super easy to apply. And I mean, can I see a difference from one side to the other? I kind of feel like I can, if I'm honest. That's probably a placebo, and possibly the way the light, a little bit of light that is coming through is coming over that side, but yeah, I mean, the paint is already looking amazing. It's already been recently, or about a year ago, paint corrected and ceramic coated, and then just had a wash, and yeah, I gotta say, it already looked good, but I feel like that did make it pop a little bit more. So let's just do the other side of the bonnet. And yeah, 3 sprays seems to be plenty. So we'll work in on this side. Yeah, you can definitely see where you've applied it. It leaves definitely a streak mark as you're wiping it in. So you can see where it actually has been wiped in. It almost seems to disappear as you're spreading the product around. So yeah, flip this over. I would imagine I'll need a second microfiber if I was doing the whole car, which I will be. But I can't see any streaking or excess product after wiping that or buffing that back off. But yeah, I feel like that's providing some immediately noticeable differences. Can't even get that out, but yeah, like that, to me, that has just really made the paint pop a little bit more. So I could actually see a slight streak there. Possibly there's a little bit of water underneath this carbon piece. But yeah, I'm really actually liking this. This is easy to apply, and I feel like it's adding just, yeah, a fair bit of pop to that bonnet. I'm just going to go for this section here where there's a bit of light hitting. So yeah, that colour is popping like crazy. Need to get a light and really show you guys, but I'm going to put the camera down. I'm just going to actually go over the whole car, and then we'll pick it back up and I'll show you how it's looking and what my thoughts are. Alright, so I've just finished going around the entire car with the lithium Color Crush, and yeah, I mean, I'm going to say this is right up there with one of my favourite. Not that I've used many of these products in this range, be more like the Geon ceramic detail that I used and CarPro Elixir. But I said in the Geon video that I probably liked it over CarPro Elixir, and yeah, this, I mean, I may feel like I like this the most. It's kind of hard to judge them, and I wasn't able to use the Geon out in the light, had to do it in the garage, but both of them, as soon as I applied them, I felt like I got immediate gloss increase. This definitely made the paint a little bit slicker, nothing crazy slick wise, But yeah, it does feel a little bit slicker, and the sun did pop out for a few moments there while I was going over the car, so I was able to walk back and look at the areas that I already applied it to, and yeah, it looks just absolutely intense. Yeah, the gloss is just next level. Okay, so I grabbed this detail light, and it's kind of hard, it doesn't really show to the extent. Need actual sunlight coming, or to be in the garage, I guess. But yeah, I don't think it's really showing on camera the difference it's making. So I guess you'll have to take my word for it that just how good this stuff looks in the light. Yeah, I did just get a few moments of sun while I was on the other side of the car, so I walked back and checked it, and yeah, it's definitely well worth the purchase price. So I mean, I'm going to recommend this stuff for sure. They do have a sealant, so this is meant to last 3 months. Possibly looking at picking up a few more of these SiO2 quick detailers, or instant detailer as this one's called. So I've got the CarPro, like I said, I've got the Geon, I've got this one. I think I'll pick up the Meguiar's version and possibly the Turtle Wax version. I'd like to do a test just how long, just if you are just using these quick details, so you, without polishing the car, possibly claying the car, but maybe not even claying the car. If you just wash your car and then apply these products, do they last? How long do they last? Let's see which one's the best. So I'm thinking that's going to be a video coming up, but also I'd really like to pick up Lithium's standalone sealant, which if this one's meant to last for 3 months, then I'm sure it's going to be next level. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure the guys from Lithium will be watching this video, so if, in the comments, if you'd like me to test that product out, then definitely leave a comment down below saying you'd definitely like to see more from Lithium on the channel. They do make a large range of products. There's actually quite a few things I'd like to try out, but I know their high-end sealant is something that is definitely going to appeal to you guys who watch the videos. But yeah, so like I said, there is a link to this in the description. Check out some of their other products while you're there, and yeah, I'm going to end the video here, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I think this product is definitely a win, so if you're keen to check it out, then click the link and grab some for yourself. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Really enjoying the growth this channel is making, so I'm putting in a lot of work and a lot of time into making these videos for you guys. So hopefully that that is noticed, and you guys do click the subscribe button if you haven't already. But yeah, with all that said, that's going to be it for this video. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later.